Alright, so this is how we're going to get pictures from, or how to put the pictures into our image. So I'm on my laptop. I already have my day 5 and 6 open, so you can see I can click and type things in or whatever. So I'm going to read all of these things. I'm going to click the link. I'm going to watch the videos that come up just to make sure. Then I'm going to, as I'm watching the video, maybe take notes. Remind yourself who you are. You write the definition, you fill all of this stuff in. You're going to have to complete that section, listening, filling it in your own words, all of those, and then highlight the strategy you're going to try in green. So you are going to highlight, this was the one that I decided I was going to use. I'm going to click the highlighter, going to click green, and there I am. I did the thing. And then why did you choose the strategy, for creating your work? Here's the big deal. The beginning, middle, and end. These are pictures as you're creating your one artwork on your own. These are pictures from the beginning of your process, the early stage, in the middle, when you're not finished, you're halfway there, you're not just getting started, and you're not finishing up, kind of in the middle, and then the end, which is you are almost completely done, maybe final finishing touches, but it's not new, it's not in the middle, it's somewhere towards the finish. And then you also have down here a final artwork. So take a picture of your final one when it's completely done. Okay, so to get pictures in here, the last video that I posted, I'm going to send the links out. The last video was how to take pictures with your cell phone, put them in Google Drive so that you can access them from your laptop. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to click on Image and I'm going to go to Drive. That's where I put my pictures from my cell phone. And then I'm going to, if I click on Recent, it shows everything I took and sent and uploaded recently. So if your pictures are there, that's where you can find them quicker. If you need to locate them, or if they're older pictures that you're putting in, you can go to your the folder that you saved them in, just locate that, see there's my pictures. But most of the time, if you take them right away, they're in the recent. So the first picture I took was this one. I'm going to select it, go down and click Insert. It's going to put that right here. From there, I can change the size of that picture if I want to. It makes the box smaller. So I can do that. I'm going to click the next box. I'm going to insert image from Drive, locate picture 2, click on Insert down the bottom right hand corner, and then I'm going to resize my picture, and I'm filling in my reflection. Go down to the third box, Insert Image. You get the drift. Now, if you're doing this from if you're taking pictures with your computer, no big deal. That's where they are. If you're doing it with an iPad, same thing. You can take pictures from there. If you click on images, you can still email them to yourself, download them to your computer desktop, and then upload them from there into here. You can take a picture if you have a camera on your computer. You can save them to Google Photos. URL is usually for pictures that are already on the internet, so wouldn't be something for this project. And then search the web, same thing, not for this project because it's not pictures of your work. All right, so that's how you add those things in. Make sure you fill out everything across through here, and when you're finished, up here in the top corner, I believe, I don't have the student version of Google Classroom, so in the top corner where mine says share, yours should say turn in. If you went to Google Classroom assignments and you open the doc from the assignments to do the assignment, and opened it from there, then your doc that makes a copy for you will have up here in the corner, turn in. It might be at the bottom right hand corner, but it looks like that. It says turn in. So click the button, turn it in. You've submitted your assignment to Google Classroom. I hope this is helpful. Let me know.